Okay, so let's quickly take a look at this potential design of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, this is not a leak image of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, so take note of that. iUniverse recently tweeted this image on his Twitter page, expressing admiration for the designer of this Galaxy S26 Ultra concept, calling him talented. Now, iUniverse says he doesn't know exactly what the Galaxy S26 Ultra will look like. However, he claims there is a high chance it could look like this. 3 days ago, he reported that the main camera and the 5x telephoto lens of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have larger apertures, which according to him will completely solve the S25 Ultra's issue of insufficient light in dark areas of its photos and also improve the overall image quality. He also added that the lenses would likely protrude about 3mm due to the larger sensors, and the phone itself will likely be thinner. So maybe the Galaxy S Ultra will finally get a new camera design after 5 years. Now, recent leaks about the Galaxy S26 Ultra suggest that the device will feature faster charging like 60 watt or 65 watt. Still not on par with the competition, but it is a nice improvement. It will also be powered by a custom-made Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 for Galaxy, manufactured on TSMC's 3nm process. Additionally, the phone is expected to have thinner bezels, which will slightly increase the display size. I think the back design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will look more like Galaxy Z Fold 7, but with additional cameras. But anyway, this image is just speculation about what the Galaxy S26 Ultra could look like, so take it with a grain of salt. Thank you for watching.